गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे। गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे। न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः। मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। ईशानां जगतोऽस्य वेङ्कटपतेर्विष्णोः परां प्रेयसीं तद्वक्षस्थलनित्यवासरसिकां तत्क्षान्तिसंवर्धिनीं पद्मालङ्कृतपाणिपल्लवयुगां पद्मासनस्थां श्रियम् वात्सल्यादिगुणोज्ज्वलां भगवतीं वन्दे जगन्मातरम्। श्रीमन्कृपाजलनिधे कृतसर्वलोक सर्वज्ञशक्तनतवत्सल सर्वशेषिन् स्वामिन् सुशीलसुलभाश्रितपारिजात श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। आनूपुरार्पितसुजातसुगन्धिपुष्पसौरभ्यसौरभकरौ समसन्निवेशौ सौम्यौ सदानुभवनेऽपि नवानुभाव्यौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। सद्यो विकासि समुदित्वरसान्द्ररागसौरभ्यनिर्भर सरोरुह साम्यवार्तां सम्यक्षु साहसपदेषु विलेखयन्तौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। रेखामयध्वज सुधाकलशातपत्रवज्राङ्कुशाम्बुरुह कल्पकशङ्खचक्रैः भव्यैरलङ्कृततलौ परतत्त्वचिह्नैः श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। ताम्रोदरद्युतिपराजितपद्मरागौ बाह्यैर्महोभिरभिभूतमहेन्द्रनीलौ उद्यन्नखांशुभिरुदस्तशशाङ्कभासौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। सप्रेमभीतिकमलाकरपल्लवाभ्यां संवाहनेऽपि सपदि क्लममादधानौ कान्ताववाङ्मनसगोचरसौ कुमार्यौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। लक्ष्मीमहीतदनुरूपनिजानुभावनीलादिदिव्यमहिषीकरपल्लवानाम् आरुण्यसङ्क्रमणतः किल सान्द्ररागौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। नित्यानमद्विधि शिवादिकिरीटकोटिप्रत्युक्तदीप्तनवरत्नमः प्ररोहैः नीराजनाविधिमुदारमुपादधानौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। विष्णोः पदे परम इत्युदित प्रशंसौ यौ मध्व उत्स इति भोग्यतयाप्युपात्तौ भूयस्तथेति तव पाणितलप्रदिष्टौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। पार्थाय तत्सदृशसारथिना त्वयैव यौ दर्शितौ स्वचरणौ शरणौ व्रजेति भूयोऽपि मह्यमिहतौ करदर्शितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये मन्मूर्ध्नि कालियफणे विकटाटवीषु श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशिखरे शिरसि श्रुतीनां चित्तेऽप्यनन्यमनसां सममाहितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये अम्लानहृष्यदवनीतलकीर्णपुष्पौ श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशिखराभरणायमानौ आनन्दिताखिलमनोनयनौ तवैतौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये प्रायः प्रपन्नजनता प्रथमावगाह्यौ मातुस्तनाविव शिशोरमृतायमानौ प्राप्तौ परस्परतुलामतुलान्तरौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये सत्वोत्तरैः सततसेव्यपदाम्बुजेन संसारतारकदयार्द्रदृगञ्चलेन सौम्योपयन्त्रिमुनिना मम दर्शितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये श्रीशश्रिया घटिकया त्वदुपाय भावे प्राप्ये त्वयि स्वयमुपेयतया स्फुरन्त्या नित्याश्रिताय निरवद्य गुणाय तुभ्यं स्यां किङ्करो वृषगिरीश न जातु मह्यम्। That is a quick revision of Sri Venkateshwara Prapatti. I will call out each of your names. Please unmute. I'm just going through the questions. I will call your names and please unmute when I call your name, and you could chant one verse. If more people are joined from the same account, please let me know so you all will get a chance to chant. One of you has asked about Stotram that has already been revised completely. Please go back to the recordings and you will be able to find it on YouTube and on our course page. So today I will not be reciting Stotram again because we've already revised that. Okay. Radha Veera Raghavan Bhagini, please unmute. Radha Veera Raghavan Bhagini.
Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Yes, you could.
कमलाय चलोचन लोकपते विजयी भव वेङ्कटशैलपते.
Just one thing, Bhagini. It is Kumkuma, not Ga. It is not Ga, it is Ka. And also Venkata Shailapate, not Venga. There is no Ga there, it is only Ka. Please note that. The pronunciation of Ka, Ga should be clearly differentiated. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Just one verse per person, please. And also, request you all to please restrict it only to chanting. Any questions you could ask me on chat because we don't have many sessions for individual chanting. So would like to use this time for giving more of you an opportunity. Venkata Narayana Panchikarla Mahodayaha.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Sachaturmukha Shanmukha Panchamukha Pramukha Kila Daivata Mauli Mane Sharanagata Vatsala Sara Nidhe Paripala Yamam Vrosha Shailapate.
Uttamam Mahodaya, just one thing here. Panchamukha pramukhakila. There, that stress should be there before pra. Panchamukha pramukhakila. Dhanyavadaha. Madhuri Gandhi. Madhuri Gandhi Bhagini, please unmute. And once you are done chanting, please lower your hand.
Okay, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
अतिवेलतया तव दुर्विषयै अनुवेलकृतैरपराधशतैः भरितं त्वरितं वृषशैलपते परया कृपया परिपाहि हरे.
Here, Bhagini, one thing you have to note is Durvishahairanu. So either we should chant the Visarga completely, Durvishahaihi Anuve, either we should chant it that way, the Visarga completely. But the thing is, when we are chanting in that rhythm, it sounds better if we combine the sandhi. So, Durvishahairanu kritaira paradhashataihi. Please note that.
Ativelataya tava durshiha. Sorry, ma'am. Ativelataya tava durvishahaira ruvela kritaira paradhashataihi Bharitam tvaritam vrishashailapate paraya kripaya paripahi hare.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Janhavi Satish Bhagini.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste. Next verse, I'll just change the verse. Yeah.
अधिवेङ्कटशैलमुदारमतेर्जनताभिमताधिकदानरतात् परदेवतया गदितान् निगमैः कमलादयितान्न परङ्कलये.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Thank you. Well chanted. I see someone by name iPad who's Rupa Bhagini. Please unmute Rupa Bhagini.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Kalavenuravaavashagopavadushatakoti smrakoti samat प्रतिवल्लविकाभिमतात् सुखदात् वसुदेव सुतान्न parankalaye.
Uttamam Bhagini, the Vadhu, the should be better. Like I said, both Mahaprana and Ghosha there. So, Vadhu, it should be.
Can I chant once again?
That's
Can
okay. That's okay. Thank you very much, because we have a lot of people, waiting that one letter, Vadhu.
Vadhu.
Yeah, Vadhu. Yes, perfect. Dhanyavadaha. I'm trying to give those who did not chant last time a chance first. Ravi Mulukutla Mahodaya, please unmute.
Ram Ram Guruji.
Ram Mahodaya.
Abhirama Gunakara Dhasaradhi Jagadeka Dhanur Dharadhi Ramate Raghunayaka Rama Ramesha Vibho Varado Bhavadeva Daya Jaladhe.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Dasharathe. If the the is better, I mean the Mahaprana is clearer, that would be better.
Dasaradhe.
Dasharathe. Tha.
Dasarathe.
Yeah. Tha. Tha there. Next line is dha. That is correct. Dhiramate. Here Dasharathe. So, which is why we need to be very careful in pronouncing these Mahapranas of the same Varga, as in tha, tha, da, dha, that differentiation. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadaha.
Chanted. Next, Shivashankar BV Mahodaya. please unmute.
नमस्ते भगिनी, राम राम
Namaste. Ram Ram Ram.
अवनीतनया कमनीयकरं रजनीकरचारुमुखाम्बुरुहं रजनीचरराजतमो मिहिरं महनीयमहं रघुराममये.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted.
My wife will sing. You have
Oh,
to
oh
hear.
sorry. Oh, your wife wants to say, just a second. Yes.
धन्यवाद.
Yes, your wife can chant.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Sumukham surudham sulabh Sumukham surudam sulabham sukhadam swanujam cha sukayama moghasharam apahaya raghudvaha manyamaham nakatancha jatu bhaje.
This suhridam, this word should be pronounced better. Suhridam. Next line, sukaya mamoghasharam. We don't stop in between. Similarly, even in the third line, raghudvaha manyamaham, we don't stop in between, because unless we are very sure of the words, and even if we know the words, if we start splitting them, that rhythm is not very apt. So we are not supposed to split in between, and especially if it is in between a word, we are not supposed to pause. So please note that. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Kamakshi Bhagini, please unmute.
राम राम.
Ram Ram Ram.
नमस्ते भगिनी.
Namaste.
अहं दूरतस्ते पदाम्भोजयुग्म Is it right?
Yes, yes.
अहं दूरतस्ते पदाम्भोजयुग्म प्रणामेच्छया सेवां करोमि सकृत्सेवया नित्यसेवा फलं त्वं प्रयच्छ प्रभो वेङ्कटेश.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted.
धन्यवादः.
Priyadarshini Bhagini, please unmute.
अज्ञानिना मया दोषान् अशेषान् विहितान् हरे क्षमस्वत्वं शेषशैलशिखामणे.
Uttamam Bhagini. Well chanted. Next, those who have chanted, please lower your hands so that I will know who is left. Daksha Vullikanti.
Namaskaraha Mahodaye.
Namaskaraha.
Ishanam jagatosya venkatapater Vishnoh param preyasim tadvakhasthala nityavasarasikam tatkhanti samvardhinim padmalangrita panipallavayugam padmasanastham shriyam Vatsalyadi gunojvalam bhagavatim vande jaganmataram.
Uttamam, very well chanted. Sanskritam pathati va?
Mahodaya.
Kasyam kakshyayam idanim pathati bhavati?
Aham panchama kakshayam.
Uttamam, atyuttama ritya uttam. Kanthastham karotu. Dhanyavadaha.
Aham Astikanagare vasami.
Evam va? Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada.
Jayanti Ramesh Bhagini, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Yes, please. Next verse. Shriman Kripa Jalanidhe.
श्रीमन् कृपा जलनिधे कृत सर्वलोक सर्वज्ञ शक्त स्तनतवत्सल सर्वशेषिन् स्वामिन् सुशील सुलभाश्रित पारिजात श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Uttamam Bhagini, very well chanted. Both the pronunciation and the raga was very good.
Thank you, Guruji.
Dhanyavadaha. Very well. Some of you have picked up all the nuances of pronunciation, Alpa Prana, Mahaprana, Dvitvam, etc. really well. Very happy to hear all of you. Bhagya Lakshmi Bhagini. Bhagya Lakshmi Govindarajan Bhagini. Bhagya Lakshmi Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram. Yes, please chant.
आनूपुरार्पित सुजात सुगंधि पुष्प सौरभ्य सौरभकरौ समसन्निवेशौ सौम्यौ सदानुभवनेऽपि नवानुभाव्यौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Prapadye. I heard a slight Mahaprana there. There is no dha. It is Prapadye. There is no Mahaprana there.
Okay, madam.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha.
Pradnya Bhagini, please unmute. Can't hear you, Pradnya. Please come closer to the mic. Naiva shruyate. Can't hear you. Maybe you should increase your mic volume or come closer. Can't hear you, Pradnya. Let's try sometime later. Unable to hear you. Shubha R. Bhatt Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram.
Sadhyo vikasisa samudittvara sandra.
They're chanting an extra sir there. Sadhyo vikasi samudittvara sandra raga. There is no sir. There are no three sirs. Sadhyo vikasi samudittvara.
Sadhyo vikasi samudittvara sandra raga saurabhya nirbhara saroruha samyamartam samyakshu sahasa padeshu vikekayantau Shri Venkatesha charanau sharanam prapadye.
Here it should be Vilekayantau. You chanted it as Vilekayantau. That Mahaprana. Yeah, Vilekha. Dhanyavadaha. Sridhar Vasishta Krishnamurti Mahodaya.
Namaste Guru Mata.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Rekha.
Yeah, you chant this. Yes.
Rekhamaya dhvaja sudha kalashata patra vajrankushamburu hashang. Rekhamaya dhvaja sudha kalashaka patra vajrankushamburu hakalpaka shankha chakraihi bhavyairankrita talau paratatva chinhai Shri Venkatesha charanau sharanam prapadye.
Uttamam Mahodaya, very well chanted. Even the bha, the Mahaprana was very well chanted, and the raga also. Uttamam.
Because of all you, Guru Mata. Because of all your training.
Na vayam asmabhihi tu kimapi naiva kriyate. It is all a grace of gurus and also Bhagavan and one's individual effort. Dhanyavada. Well chanted. Okay. Those who have chanted, please lower your hand, and also Please note that the first preference is to those who haven't chanted last class. Apurva Joshi Mahodaya. Please unmute.
नमो नमः भगिनी.
Namo Namaha Mahodaya.
ताम्रोदरद्युतिपराजितपद्मरागौ बाह्यैर्महोभिरभिभूतमहेन्द्रनीलौ उद्यन्नखांशुभिरुदस्तशशाङ्कभासौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशशतरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Last line, there seemed to be some confusion. Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye. Here, please note Shri Venkatesha, then Charanau, then Sharanam. That cha sha should not be differentiated.
Yes,
Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Adya Murti Bhagini, please unmute.
Shubha Pratah Shikshika.
Suprabhatam. Vadatu.
सप्रेम भीति कमलाकर पल्लवाभ्यां संवाहनेऽपि सपविक्लमद्मादधानौ कान्ताववाङ्मनसगोचरसौ कुमार्यौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Tamam. Second line, Samvahanepi Sapadiklama Madadhanau. There's some confusion there, and I think you paused. We don't pause anywhere in the last word. So Sapadiklama, there again a Dvitvam, Sapadiklama Madadhanau.
When I come to shlokas, I'm not so fluent in reading Sanskrit. But when it comes to lessons, I'm able to read confidently.
You mean Sanskrit lessons?
Yes.
No problem. You will learn reading shlokas also well.
Because I usually read in Kannada.
Which class are you in?
6th.
6th. Okay. Why don't you start reading in Sanskritam? Have you learnt Devanagari and Sanskritam?
I've been learning Sanskritam since I was in LKG.
Oh, that's good. Then why do you read in Kannada?
I'm usually not so good in Kannada, so I want to improve that and my Sanskrit both.
Okay. Dhanyavadaha. But the suggestion is to all of you, if you know reading the language in its script, as in Sanskritam in Devanagari script, the best is to read it in the same script, because in any other language, there will be certain slight differences, etc. Of course, Kannada, Telugu and all are very similar, very close to Sanskrit, and they have derived everything from Sanskritam grammar itself. But still, it holds good for any language. If you know the script of that language, first preference is to read it in that particular script itself. So please, those who know Devanagari, try reading Sanskritam in Devanagari. Kritika Jagadish Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Lakshmi Mahitadanurupa Nijanubhava Neeladi Divya Mahishi.
We don't stop there, Bhagini. We don't stop there. We have a hyphen here. So we need to combine both the lines and chant.
Okay. Lakshmi Mahitadanurupa Nijanubhava Neeladi Divya Mahishi Karapallavanam Arunya Sankramanathak Kila Sandra Ragau Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye.
So one verse we don't stop after bhava, we continue bhava neeladi divya. Secondly, the na pronunciation should be clearer. Shri Venkatesha charanau sharanam prapadye. It is not na, neeladi. There it is na. That is a different na. Here na, charanau sharanam prapadye. This difference, it holds good for everyone. Please note that difference while chanting na and na. That differentiation should be made out clearly. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha.
Well chanted. Those who have finished chanting, please lower your hand. Aruna Gorti Bhagini.
सुप्रभातं महोदय.
Prabhatam.
नित्यानुमद्विधिशिखादि किरीटकोटि
Nityana, it's not Nityanu. It is Nityana Madvidhi Shivadi. There is no Shikha there. Shiva.
Okay. I will try. नित्यानमद्विधि शिवादि किरीटकोटि प्रत्युप्त दीप्त नवरत्न महःप्ररोहैः नीराजना विधि मुदार मुपादधानौ श्रीवेंकटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Here Bhagini, Kirita Koti Pratyupta, that Dvitvam. Kirita Koti Pratyupta Deepta.
Kirita Koti Pratyupta Deepta.
Yes. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Well chanted. Next. Tiruvallal Mahodaya.
विष्णु पदे परम इत्विदित प्रशंसौ यौमद्भ उत्स इति भोग्य दयाप्युपात्तौ भूयस्ततेथि तव पाणितल प्रतिष्ठौ श्री वेंकटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Okay, here first line Mahodaya, ityudita prashamsau, that dvitvam should be clearer, and yaumadhva, the mahapranas everywhere. If they are clearer, it will be better. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Prasanna Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
पार्थाय तत्सदृशसारथिना त्वयैव यौ दर्शितौ स्वचरणौ शरणं व्रजेति भूयोऽपि मह्यमिहतौ करदर्शितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini, well chanted. Raga was good. Dhanyavadaha. Chandrakalavi Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Manmurdhnisa.
Yes.
Ekam nimsham. मन्मूर्ध्निकालीयफणे विकटाटवीषु श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशिखरे शिरसि श्रुतीनां चित्तेऽप्यनन्यमनसां सममाहितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Uttamam Bhagini, well chanted. Dhanyavadaha.
Bhagini.
Next, Rama K. Raman Bhagini, please unmute. Rama K. Raman Bhagini. Ram.
अम्लानहृष्य धवनीतलकीर्णः पुष्पौ श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशिखराभरणागमानौ आनन्दिताखिल मनोनमयौ तवौ तौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
There was some confusion in the letters in the second and third line, Bhagini. Can you chant the second line again?
Shri Venkatadishikharabharanavamanau.
It is not Bharanavamanau, it is Bharanayamanau. There is no verb. Bharanaya.
Anandita khila manonayanau tavaitau.
This is correct. Okay. So first time there was some difference in the letters. Second line, Bharanayamanau. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Thank you. Gayatri Rajaraman Bhagini.
Ram.
Ram. I'll change the verse.
Yeah.
प्राप्य प्रपन्नजनता प्रथमावगाह्यं मातुस्तनाविव शिशूरमृतायमानम् प्राप्तौ परस्परतुलामतुलान्तरौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Firstly, it is not prapya. The first word is prayaf prapanna janata, not prapya. Prapya is complete. It has a completely different meaning. It's a different word altogether. It is prayaf prapanna janata, not prapya. And also, Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam
Davanita Pushpau Shri Venkatadri Shikhara Bharanayamanau.
Request all others to please go back to mute, please. Otherwise, we will be hearing multiple voices. So, yes. So, here not prapya prayaha and Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye na. The same thing for a lot of us have to correct the pronunciation of na. It is different from na. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Thank you.
Next, Pushkala S. Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Praya Prapanna.
Sorry, next verse. Satvot. Satvottarai satata.
Change agilla.
Change agilva. Nan screen al change agide. 15th verse of Prapatti.
Satvottarai sataitas. Satvottarai satata sevya padam puchena samsaratara kadayatra drikanchalena saumyo payantrumuninā mama darshitau te Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapatye.
First line, Satvottarai Satata Sevya Padambujena. Please note each and every letter should be clear. Satvottarai Satata Sevya Padambujena. Then Dayardra Driganchalena. Dr, that pronunciation of Dr. And Saumyo Payantr. There is a difference between saying true and tr. This is tr, the Gunitaksharam. That is like r. Kripa, Krishnaha, in the same way. So, Saumyo Payantra Munina. We all should note this difference between U and it's not true. When we say true, it is T plus Ra plus U. T plus R plus U is true. But here it is Tr. That Swara is different. When you say true and Tr, there is a difference. So, that should be clear. And same thing in the last line, same observation like for many others. Shri Venkatesha Charanau na Sharanam Prapadye. One way to note is when you say na, like here, Satvottarai Satata Sevya Padambujena, we are not twisting the tongue as much. Whereas when you say Charanau Sharanam, we are twisting the tongue more. And that differentiation should be clear between the two nas, na and na. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Subramanian Narayanan Mahodaya. Please unmute. Subramanian Narayan Mahodaya, please unmute. Okay, you are unmuted, but we are not able to hear you. Maybe we'll try later. Chaya Bhagini, please unmute. We will go back to Ram. We will go back to Stotram. Yes.
Kamala kuchachuchuka kunkumato niyataruණිතා tulanilatano Kamalayatalochana lokapate vijayi bhava venkatashailaspate.
Uttamam Bhagini, dhanyavadaha. Well chanted.
Dhanyavadaha.
Next, Venkat Vasan R. Mahodayaha. Next verse.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
The second one, right? The Sachaturmukha, right?
Sachaturmukha, yes.
Sachaturmukha Shanmukha Panchamukha Pramukhākhila Devata Maulimane Sharanagata Vatsala Saranidhe Paripalaya Mamrisha Shailapate.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. Purnima Kulkarni Bhagini.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sachaturmukha Shanmukha.
Sorry, third verse Bhagini.
Okay. Ativelataya tava durvishahairanuvela krutaira paradharshataihi taihi bharitam tvaritam vrushashailapate paraya krupaya paripahi hare.
Well chanted Bhagini. Just that I think in the end you could not hold your breath for so long, but that's okay. It will come with practice. And you were right, we generally combine these two lines. Durvishahairanu krataira paradhashataihi. Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha. Raman VK Mahodayah, please unmute.
Namaskaram.
Namaste.
Namaskaram. Govinda. First of all, let me thank Guruji and Vyoma for giving me this opportunity to chant the slogas.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Other day, the discussion by the special guest was wonderful actually. We want one more session like this.
Oh yes, definitely. We have conveyed
one more surprise in these slogas I noted down. In the last but one Prabharti, in the Satmotra Tarai Sadada Sevya Tadambu Jena, there is not even a single Mahaprana in that particular sloka. To that extent, I'm noting in all the Mahaprana. I was very surprised. Not even single Mahaprana.
Like I said, even Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha are considered Mahapranas. But of course, in Vargiya Vyanjanani, the second and the fourth letter are Mahapranas. In Avargiya Vyanjanani, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha are considered Mahapranas. But I don't indicate it on the screen simply because there is no confusion. Like in Vargiya Vyanjanani, the first and second letter are similar. Third and fourth letter are similar. One is Alpaprana, one is Mahaprana. Therefore, I only differentiate the Mahapranas in Vargiya Vyanjanani on the screen to differentiate between Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, similarly in other Vargas. But any letter which requires more prana is called a Mahaprana, which includes Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. This is just for your information. Like I was telling you yesterday, even without the script, without underlining Mahapranas or Dvitvam, just by listening to any perfect chanting, you can pick up all the nuances of Alpaprana, Mahaprana, everything.
Okay.
Yes,
last time,
please chant this verse.
Adivenkata Saila Mudaramate Janata Bhimata Dhigata Narata Paradevadaya Gadilan Nigamai Kamala Dayitan Nigam Kamala Dayitan Aparam Talaye.
This Adhivenkata, the should be clearer. And just the Mahapranas, if they are clearer, they'll be better.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Next, Sitaraman Mahodaya. We have a lot of people who still want to chant, so request you to please restrict yourself to chanting when you are unmuted. For questions, you could ask in the chat column. Yes, Sitaraman Mahodaya, please chant. Ram.
Kalavenuravavashakopavathu shatakoti vritat smarakodi samat prativallavikaabhimatat sukhatat vasudeva sutanna param kalaye.
Uttamam Mahodaya, well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Manoj Swaminathan Mahodaya, please unmute.
अभिराम गुणाकर दाशरथे जगदे कधनुर्धर धीरमते रघुनायक राम रमेश विभो वरदो भवदेव दया जलधे.
Uttamam Mahodaya. So in a few places your Mahaprana was very clear, like Raghunayaka. In a few others it was slightly underplayed. It was not as clear. Dasharathe. So in all places if the Mahaprana is clearly chanted, that would be better. Dhanyavada.
Okay, thanks.
Dhanyavada. Thank you, Mahodaya. Next, Shubhashri Bhagini, please unmute. Shubhashri Bhagini, please unmute.
It says I cannot unmute. You have forced us.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Ram 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 Mahodaya.
Ram Ram.
Avanitanaya kamaniyakaram rajanikachara rajanikaracharu mukhamburuham rajanichara rajatamo mihiram mahaniyamaham raghuna mamaye.
Uttamam Bhagini. Last word, Raghuramamaye. We chant without a pause in between.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha. Mohana Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaskara Bhagini.
Namaste.
Sumukham suhridam sulabham sukhadam swanujam cha sukhaya mamogha apahaya raghudvahamanyamaham nakhatanchana kanchana jatu bhaje.
Uttamam Bhagini. Nakathanchana. If that tha is chanted better, then just the Mahaprana difference. That would be better.
Which word, Bhagini? Kripaya vadatu?
Kathanchana.
Okay. Kathanchana, kanchana. Oh, noted
Bhaje. Yes.
Dhanyavada Bhagini.
Next, Ganesh Subramanian Mahodayaha, please unmute.
Namaskaram.
Namaste.
Vina Venkatesham Nanatho Nanatha Sada Venkatesham Smarami Hare Venkatesha Prasida Priyam Venkatesha Prayacha.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Well chanted. Even the Dvitwams, I think in almost all places you got it. Smarami Venkatesha Prasida Priyam Venkatesha Prayacha. Dhanyavadaha. Vaidehi Madhavan Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Aham durataste padamboja yugma pranamecha yagatya sevam karomi sakrit sevaya nitya seva palam tvam prayacha prabho venkatesha.
Yes, so Mahapranas Bhagini. Padam bhoja. Then last line also. Prayacha prabho venkatesha. Each and every Mahaprana should be chanted clearly. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Parvati Krishnan Bhagini, please unmute.
Okay. Ram.
Ram.
Ram. Yes, right. Last one. Ajnaninam. Oh God, where it is gone?
It's on the screen, Bhagini, in case you want.
Yes, madam, correct. Ajnaninam maya doshana asheshana vihitana hare shamastasvam shaishela shikhamane.
Bhagi, some slight confusion regarding the letters.
Yes, madam.
Ajnanina maya doshan.
Doshan. Yes.
I don't know
Ajnanina
language.
maya doshan. Correct, madam.
Which language are you reading in, Bhagini?
In Sanskrit only.
Sanskrit only. Okay. So in that
Yes,
case,
madam.
if you see that halanta at the end, doshan, we don't say
Yeah,
doshan, we say doshan, asheshan,
Okay.
vihitan hare. Then
Okay.
shamaswatvam. Last line again there was slight confusion.
Yes.
Shesha shaila shikha.
Shesha Shaila Shikhamani. Okay, madam.
Yes,
Got
yes.
it. Got it,
Dhanyavada.
madam.
I
Thank you.
hope that
Dhanyavada. Thank you, madam.
once you go back to the recordings and listen, it will become
Okay, madam.
clearer.
Correct. Okay, madam. Thank you.
Yeah. Next, R. Rajeshwari Bhagini, please unmute. So the key is Shravanam, like I keep repeating. Please listen again and again. So you have our recording on Vyoma YouTube. We will give you a separate audio also. Otherwise, you also have other options like TTD Tirumala. In Tirumala, the Purohits reciting every morning. So that is also available on YouTube. MS Ammas is there. But one thing is, you should be cautious to choose one which doesn't have errors. There are a lot of recordings posted on YouTube these days which have many errors in pronunciation. So please do not learn anything wrong. So listen to an authentic one and then learn the right pronunciation. R. Rajeshwari Bhagini. First.
Ram.
Yes,
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
ईशानान् जगतोऽस्य वेङ्कटपते विष्णोः परां प्रेयसीं तत्वक्षस्थलनित्यवासरसिकान् तत्शान्तिसंवर्धिनीं पद्मालङ्कृतपाणिपल्लवयुगां पद्मासनस्थां श्रियं वात्सल्यादिगुणोज्ज्वलां भगवतीं Vande Jaganmatharam.
Here first line, Ishanan Jagatosya Venkatapatehe. If you are stopping, you have to chant the Visarga completely. So like that day Soumya Bhagini was saying, whenever you stop, when you pause, you have to split the Sandhi. If you don't pause, you have to combine the Sandhi. You can't do a mixture of both, of stopping and not splitting the Sandhi. So, Ishanan Jagatosya Venkatapatehe Vishnov Param Preyasim. That is correct. But the Visarga should be chanted completely. If you want to combine, then you chant Venkatapater Vishnov Param. So please note that. And one more place I had I think the Mahaprana somewhere in the last 3 lines. So please note that, Bhagini. But this is important. It holds good for any shloka. If you are pausing, you have to split the Sandhi. If you are combining, you have to combine the Sandhi. Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha. Krishna Mahodaya, please unmute.
Namaste Ram.
Oh, Namaste Bhagini.
श्रीमन् कृपा जलनिधे कृत सर्वलोक सर्वज्ञ शक्तनत वत्सल सर्वशेषिन् स्वामिन् सुशील सुलभाश्रित पारिजात श्री वेंकटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
The sha pronunciation everywhere, sarvasheshin. So this word has sa, sha and sha. So that should be clearly pronounced. Sa, sha, sha. And this sarvagnya, that gnya also there was slight difference in pronunciation. Then swamin sushila, su, shi. Please note second letter is sha. Sulabhashrita. It is not Sulabhasrita. It is not sa here. Sulabhashrita parijata. Next also Shri Venkatesha. Sha. Shri Venkatesha. Charanau Sharanam. Sha. Prapadye. So that sha should be chanted clearly, Bhagini. Please don't chant it as sa. So that's the observation. And also, generally what I've noticed is especially those who are very well versed in Telugu, who have a mother tongue of Telugu, that there's a tendency to pronounce that sh as in Shivaha, Shubham, Shri as sa or sa. That is not right in Sanskritam. In Telugu language, that may be okay, but while pronouncing Sanskritam words, we have to adhere to Sanskritam pronunciation. So, Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye. Sadhana is Bhagini. Please unmute.
Ram ji.
Ram.
आनूपुरार्पित सुजात सुगंधि पुष्प सौरभ्य सौरभकरौ समसन्निवेशौ सौम्यौ सदानुभवनेऽपि नवानुभाव्यौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Uttamam. Well chanted, Sadhana.
धन्यवादः जी.
Dhanyavadaha. Vijayalakshmi Bhagini, please unmute.
श्रूयते वा? राम.
श्रूयते भगिनी, वदतु.
सद्यो विकासि समुद्दित्वर सान्द्र राग सौरभ्य निर्भर सरोरुह साम्यवार्ताम् सम्यक्षु साहर पदेषु विलेखयन्तौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Here sahasa padeshu Bhagini. Please note that word sahasa padeshu.
Okay.
And second line, you got all the Mahapranas, but some, I think one of the bhas was not as clear. Saurabhya nirbhara saroruha samya vartam. So both the Mahapranas should be clear.
Sure.
Next, just one thing here. Next, Om Prakash Mahodaya, please unmute. So before we listen to Om Prakash Mahodaya, please unmute. One thing is, the reason we have Mahapranas in Sanskritam is
Namo
Namaha, Mahodaya. So I was saying that before you chant, just wanted to highlight that when there are multiple Mahapranas, we have to chant all the Mahapranas clearly. Sorry, I'm muting others whose voices are heard. And that is a very good exercise in pronunciation and breathing. So there is a purpose for having those multiple Mahapranas, which is why Samskrita Ucharanam chanting shlokas is such a good exercise. And if we want to get all the benefits of chanting, we have to chant each and every Mahaprana clearly. Otherwise, it would just be, chanting all very easily like Alpa Pranas. And that exercise which is supposed to happen in breathing, etc., will not happen. So to get that effect also, we need to chant the Mahapranas very clearly. Om Prakash Mahodaya.
Yeah. Okay. Rekha Dhwaj Shudha Kalshat Patra Vajrankushamburuh Kalpaka Shankha Chakrai Bhavair Alankrita Talau Par Tattva Chinhe Sri Venkatesh Charanau Sharanam Prapadde.
Last line, Mahodaya. Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye. Prapadye is the word. Okay. One common observation for you is you are chanting the letters half, as in Rekha Maya Dhwaj Sudha Kalshat Patra Vajrang Kusham Buruh Kalpak Shankh Chakraihi. That is how it was heard. But in Sanskritam, we chant the letter completely, as in Rekha Maya Dhwaja Sudha Kalashata Patra. Let me take just this word. We don't say Sudha Kalashata Patra. We say Sudha Kalashata Patra Vajrang Kusham Buruha Kalpaka Shankha Chakraihi. Again, we don't say Shankha Chakraihi. We say Shankha Chakraihi. Next line also. Bhavyair alankrita talau paratattva chinhaihi. We don't say paratattva chinhaihi. Paratattva chinhaihi. Shri Venkatesha. We don't say Shri Venkatesha. Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye. That is one common observation, Mahodaya. Please listen to the recordings and you will get that better.
Yes.
Dhanyavadaha. Brinda Srinivasan Bhagini, please unmute.
भगिनी राम राम
राम राम राम
दाम्रोदरद्युतिपराजितपद्मरागौ बाह्यैर्महोभिरभिभूतमहेन्द्रनीलौ उद्यन्नखांसुभिरुदस्तशशङ्कभाषौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Second line, third line, there was some confusion, Bhagini. Bahyair maho, we don't say abhirabhibhuta, we say bahyair maho bhirabhibhuta mahendra neelau together. We don't split it there. Bahyair maho bhirabhibhuta mahendra neelau. Next
Because
line also.
I had written down splitting, so I thought I should read like that.
So like even Saumya Bhagini was saying in that class, if we start splitting each sandhi, then that rhythm is not perfect. So we don't split each and every sandhi, especially, and also this is a Samastapadam, the entire word is chanted together. We don't split. Of course, if it is at the end of a pada, we have that luxury of splitting a sandhi, but otherwise, and especially if it is a Samastapadam like this, a compound word, we don't split. Bahyair maho bhirabhibhuta mahendra neelau. Next line, Udyanna khamshu bhirudasta shashanka bhasau Shri Venkatesha charanau sharanam prapadye. Dhanyavada Bhagini. Lata Bhagini, please unmute. Lata Bhagini, please unmute. Yes.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Saprem bhiti kamalakara pallavabhyam samvahane pisapadi klamamada bhaddhano kantavavagmanasa gochara saukumayo Shri Venkatesha charan sharanam prapadye.
Some confusion in the second line. Bhagini sapadiklamamadadhanau. Next line, Kantava Vangmanasa. That is not Vagmanasa, it is Kantava Vangmanasa Gochara Saukumaryau. Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. You could practice that. We have already run out of time. I will take two more. Around 48 of you have finished. So maybe two more. Chitra Tyagarajan Bhagini. Please unmute.
Bhagini, can you hear me?
Yes, can hear you, Bhagini.
Lakshmi Mahitanu Rupa Nijanu Bhava Neela Didivya Mahiti Karapalla Nam Arunya Sangramana Takshila Chandra Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanau Prapadye.
Bhagini, if you have logged in from two devices, request you to please log out of one. There is a lot of echo and disturbance that generally happens when you log in from two or more devices from the same location. And Lakshmi Mahi Tadanu Rupa. Something else was heard there. Please note that. There's a lot of echo, Bhagini, Chitra Bhagini. Next, Malini Radha Krishna Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini, Suprabhatam.
Namaste, Suprabhatam.
Should I chant Lakshmi Mahita or next one?
Next one, Nityanamadvidhi Shivadi.
Astu. Nityanamadvidhi Shivadi Kirita Koti Pratyupta Deepta Navaratna Mahaprarohaihi Nirajana Vidhi Mudara Mupada Dhanau Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye.
So Nityanamadvidhi, that the and the difference should be clear. Similarly, third line, Nirajana Vidhi Mudara Mupada Dhanau. So Nirajana Vidhi Mudara Mupada Dhanau. That the pronunciation should be clearer. The Mahapranas should be chanted very, very clearly. There is no compromise there. In fact, I would urge you all to look up one of the videos of Vyoma. Let me see if I can send you a link. It's on YouTube, where our CEO and COO Vishwanathan sir and Venkat sir, they have actually spoken to a gathering on how chanting is very beneficial for health, especially with reference to how it produces similar effects like pranayama. So go through that video in detail. I will see if I can find that link and send it. In that, you will, if you see that, you will see how it is so important to adhere to these rules of pronunciation of Mahaprana and Alpaprana. Only then you will get those effects. And it should not be, the Mahaprana shouldn't just be like, okay, I understand as a Mahaprana, but I don't chant it clearly. It should be chanted very clearly, so that someone, like I was telling you, even if they don't have a script before them and they don't know the difference, even then they should be able to make out that it is a Mahaprana. So when our Guru taught us, just her emphasis on Mahapranas, just by listening to it, we picked it up. So even if you don't go through all the Varnamala, Vargiya Vyanjanani, everything, wherever there is a Mahaprana, you should chant it very, very clearly. There shouldn't be any compromise. This is not only for this course. When you're reading any work, be it shlokas or any Sanskritam work, and also in other languages like Kannada, Telugu, where you have Mahapranas, you have to be very clear about the Mahapranas. Some languages I hear don't have Mahapranas, so for those, you could follow the rules of that language. But wherever there are Mahapranas, please make it a point to emphasize on them and chant them clearly. Around 50 of you or 51 of you have chanted today. We don't have time for any more. We've already run out of time. So we will have more individual chanting sessions, at least 1 or 2 more. Okay, Manoj Swaminathan Mahodaya, sorry, I haven't read. You said you're repeating this message, but I'm reading it for the first time. Shri Venkateshwara Suprapatti verses 1 to 7, 23rd June recording starts directly with Prapatti. I repeated the entire Stotra verses that day, but recording isn't available. Oh, Stotra, it must be available in the previous class, Mahodaya. Please check, because Stotra, I chanted the Stotram, and then we had, I think we learned last 2 verses of the Stotram, and I chanted the entire Stotram that day. If it is not available, I will ask them to look into it. Stotra not available. Okay, I will ask them to look into it. I will see why it is not available. Okay, if it isn't available, I will record it and send it. Okay, thank you for bringing that to my notice. Because I had chanted the Stotram, I presumed that it is available, that the recording is available. I will check on this. And tomorrow we will commence with Mangala Shasanam, very beautiful verses and also very simple verses compared to what we have learned till now. Anushtup Chandaha, that is 8 letters per pada. And so relatively smaller, definitely smaller than all these like Vasanta Tilaka and Shardula Vikriditam. So small verses, and I think we have around 14 of them. So we could either complete it in tomorrow's class or maybe by Monday. And after that, we will have individual chanting. Then we will let you know about the concluding class. We will send you an email. And we are also going to have assessments probably in the 3rd week of July. The exact dates haven't been decided as yet. The reason I'm telling you now is for you all to please start practicing. And there will be 2 categories. One is Parayanam reading all the 4 components. The other is Kantapata, memorization, full memorization. So all of you are capable of doing full memorization also, just that you should start in advance and do it consistently every day. Then you will be able to memorize. But I urge all of you to please take part in the assessment, not so much for a certificate or because it's an exam or anything, just that it is a nice logical conclusion that you learned in this course, and you also practiced in a time bound manner, and you attained that perfection. So you have to practice a lot to attain that siddhi. Just by listening, it doesn't come. Just by listening for 1 hour in the webinar, it doesn't come. You should go back, listen again and again, practice individually, chant aloud, try to correct mistakes. Only then you will get that perfection. So abhyasa is important. If we have a time-bound commitment like an assessment, you will be able to practice within that time. So I urge all of you, it is not compulsory or anything, but I really urge you to consider taking the assessment. As usual, we will conclude with Shanti Mantraha. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Dhanyavadaha. One request, in case you have any admin related questions, please mail them to sanskritfromhome@vyomalabs.in. Have the email IDs on the screen, sanskritfromhome@vyomalabs.in. Anything about your registration, etc., something about the course page, even with reference to courses in Vyoma, because the admin will be able to better help you with those things. Anything related to the course as itself, you can send me, but any other things, please send your mails to this email ID. Dhanyavadaha. Shvaha punar milamaha. We will meet tomorrow at the same time, 5:45 AM IST, and we will learn Mangala Shasanam. Dhanyavadaha.